Hi, I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make base-free Achari merch from scratch, a Madras heat-style dish with Indian pickle, chillies, fresh coriander and lemon. This dish works well as mild or hot as you want it. As always, a full list of the ingredients for the dish can be found in the description below. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. To begin, heat 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil on a low to medium heat and add 2 cardamom pods, 1 bay leaf, 2 chopped green finger chillies, 2 dried Kashmiri chillies, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and half a teaspoon of fennel seeds. Heat until bubbles start to form around the whole spices, then add in 1 medium chopped onion and fry for 3 to 4 minutes to begin to soften and caramelise. Stir in 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste and fry for around 30 seconds until the bitter smell disappears. Add 2.5 tablespoons of tomato puree watered down with the same amount of water, 1 to 2 teaspoons of chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of mixed powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of dried mango powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri chili powder and 1 teaspoon of kasoori methi, along with half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, half a teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of cumin powder. Mix well and continue to fry for a couple of minutes, adding a little water if required. Add around 125 milliliters of hot water, stir through, then reduce for a minute before adding the other 125 milliliters and allowing to reduce again for a minute or two. Add 1 chopped tomato, a good tablespoon of garlic pickle, I use Pataks, a handful of fresh chopped coriander and a squeeze of lemon, that's around 2 teaspoons, and stir through well, reducing for a couple of minutes. Spoon in 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt, then add your choice of protein and stir to coat to prevent it drying out. Finally, add a quarter teaspoon of hing, stir through and allow to reduce until the oil separates and the meat is cooked through if you've used raw meat. Decorate with some fresh coriander and sliced red chillies. Please remember to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.